And now, First Warn 5 weather.
Good morning. Thank you for joining us. I'm meteorologist Josh Johns. Hey, look outside at Sky 5. There's not a cloud in the sky.
Starr County saw some severe weather overnight. First Warn 5 meteorologist Josh Johns is tracking the weather for us this morning. Now, Josh, what's showing on radar at this hour?
Hey, Dina, well, we're watching some light rain on the radar right now. If you take a look behind me on the First Warn 5 Doppler network, you can see some light rains moving into McAllen and just stretching from McAllen to Harlingen and down into Brownsville. There's a heavier storm up towards Zapata County that's prompted a flood advisory for them, but we're continuing to just watch that light rain that's moving through the area. That'll stick around through the morning and it'll slowly taper off and we'll see some sunshine. Here's a look at your temperatures right now. 73 in Vibora, 78 in Donna. Lasara, you're at 73. In Laguna Vista, you're checking in at 74. Here's a look at your day planner. We're going to start off with these light showers, and then we'll start to get some of those clouds out of the way. We'll see some sun by the afternoon, but it'll be very humid and warm, and an isolated storm could flare up once again this evening. We'll continue to track it here in the First Warn 5 Weather Center. Some storms on Tuesday. The best chance looks to be to our north around the ranch lands from Jim Hogg over to Kennedy County. But we can't rule out some of that activity starting to spread down into our area on Tuesday. So we'll fine-tune that forecast. Stay tuned for details on that. And then pretty well as well. We're talking temperatures in the upper 90s to near 100 degrees across the area. And then as we head into Monday, check it out up here. We've got a cold front that's coming down. That's going to clear out the clouds and lead to some really nice conditions for the rest of the week. Tomorrow will still be a bit on the warm side, but then by the time we head into Tuesday, dealing with a lot of clouds, and that'll also keep temperatures down. Wait for it. There it is, 79 on Wednesday. You're going to need a jacket going out to that weather, but then we warm up again as we head into the rest of the weekend. 85 on Saturday, mainly sunny and pleasant on Friday. Thursday, sunny and nice, and that's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.
For a look at the weather, here's meteorologist Josh Johns.
Hey, basketball fans, hope you're enjoying the game. Today's weather will be a slam dunk with temperatures in the 70s up to about 78. Partly cloudy and comfortable. It'll be a great day to go outside and just enjoy that sunshine. Be sure to enjoy the game and go Vipers. Well, good morning. I'm meteorologist Josh Johns. Hey, if you're hearing the pitter-patter of rain out in Starr County, that's not your mind playing tricks on you. There's definitely rain out there. There's some pretty heavy rain, actually, from Rio Grande City over to Roma and then back up towards San Ysidro, and that will continue to stick around over the next hour or so across Starr County. So if you're out there, just take a jacket and umbrella with you. Moving off towards the east into Hidalgo County, we have one shower here near Lynn and more down towards Reynosa that's going to move up. So Hidalgo County will be getting wet soon too. Down in the lower valley, there's not much going on right now. This is just a bunch of ground clutter, but those showers down near Valle Hermoso will move in, and so we're just going to have a pretty rainy day across a good majority of the valley. Temperatures right now are in the 60s and in the 70s, 71 in Edinburg, and rain-cooled temperature of 64 in Rio Grande City, and then 70 on South Padre Island. Highs today will reach the mid-70s with high of 76 in Edinburg, 74 in the island, a bit cooler out towards the west, 72 in Rio Grande City. And then tomorrow, we really warm up. High temperatures in the mid-80s, 85 in Edinburg and McAllen, 76 on South Padre Island, 84 in Raymondville. Look at satellite and radar. You can see that this rain is all just a part of a big upper-level storm system that's impacting a large area of the state. They've already received about 5 inches of rain near San Antonio, so they're dealing with a little bit of flooding right now. If you have any travel plans up to the north, just make sure your windshield wipers are working, make sure your tires are properly aired up, and take a jacket with you because you don't want to get wet. You'll just want to stay dry. You see on Future Track that rain skirts through our area, moves through by about lunchtime, and then we see a little bit of a break, but look off here towards the west because more rain forms and moves in the afternoon with some pretty heavy rain possible. There's not a lot of severe weather expected. In fact, there's pretty much no severe weather expected, but some flooding could become an issue in the heaviest of these storms. There is some heavy rainfall that could fall with these, and we finally try to clear out the rain heading into Sunday. We could have some leftover drizzle for your Sunday morning drive, and then look, skies clear and the sun returns late Sunday afternoon and even into Monday. Clear skies and sunny weather can be expected. Some fog may form Monday morning and also in the morning hours on Tuesday. So if you have any driving plans, be sure to check in with Channel 5 for the latest on that. Locally, 1 to 2 inches are possible over the next 2 days. That could be even higher out towards the west. So for today, a high temperature of 77, mostly cloudy with periods of showers and thunderstorms. Winds out of the southeast at 6 to 12 miles per hour. Down to 64 tonight. Areas of rain and drizzle still hanging around with north winds at 4 to 8 miles per hour. A shower and thunderstorm possible today, then clouds and sun on Sunday. Sun really returns Monday and Tuesday. We go up to 86 on Tuesday, and then more clouds come back and some showers even on Friday. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Good morning, I'm meteorologist Josh Johns. If you're stepping outside today, temperatures, well, they feel kind of cold right now. Everyone's in the 50s, 50 in Harlingen, 57 Los Fresnos, 55 on Port Isabel, 56 in La Feria, 55 your temperature at Mission, and 59 in Pharr. A little bit wider look gives us a few more locations. It's all the way down to 46 in Rio Grande City, so you'll probably want that jacket stepping out there. You may not need the jacket in the Mid-Valley, and you definitely won't need it this afternoon because highs today will go up to the mid to upper 80s, 87 out west, 85. Look further north into the state, and that whole complex extends all the way out towards Houston and even further up. See this spin here? That's an upper level low, and while that's there, that's making the atmosphere split. And as that atmosphere splits, that makes things really unstable. So that's why we've been having all this unsettled weather. And until that low moves, we're going to have to keep that chance of storms in the area. And that's why the Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk area that extends all the way across the state. So if you have any travel plans, keep that in mind. Some of the weather could be dicey across the state. Here's
you can expect weather-wise today. For that, we go to Josh Johns for our First Warn 5 forecast. Good morning, Josh.
Good morning, Leslie. Well, temperatures right now are in the 70s and the 80s, but they will get warmer this afternoon. Let's go ahead and give you a look at the temperatures in your neighborhood. 77 in Rincon, 81 in San Manuel. Santa Monica, you're checking in at 81. In Bayview, you're at 82. Here's a look at your day planner. We're going to start off in the 80s right now. It'll be mostly cloudy, but we will start to see those clouds disappear. We'll get up to 91 by noon, and then by the afternoon, wow, we're at 97 degrees, and some locations out west could hit the 100s. Calling for 101 in Rio Grande City, 99 in Edinburgh, 94 in Brownsville, and 88 in South Padre Island. But changes are on the way. We're talking cooler temperatures in your First Warn 5 forecast later in the newscast. Look at future track. That low finally begins to move. That's going to send this stationary front towards us. It's going to kind of flirt with us and send a few storms along that on Sunday. And then it finally pushes through kind of as a cold front. By the time we head into Monday, that's going to stall out over our area on Monday and Tuesday. That's going to leave that chance of rain in the place for the first part of this week. Look at Sky 5 right now. That humidity's still in place, that fog's still in place, and that humidity will make it feel warmer today. Take a look at your highs for today. Everyone's going to be in the 90s to 100 degrees in some locations, but with that humidity, it'll feel like 97 to 105. So be sure to drink plenty of water if you're heading outside today. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 97 today, a little bit cooler tomorrow at 94. But then really cool on Tuesday and even cooler on Wednesday, 79 degrees. I have to bring out my jacket for that one. And then up to the mid-80s by Saturday.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much for joining us for Channel 5 News Sunday morning. We'll see you back here at 5:30 and 10.